A warm welcome to all my viewers and friends. Here I am with a new video on the topic today. And today I'm going to talk about the Ayurvedic routines or the regimens, which is also known as Dincharya in Sanskrit. So Ayurveda, often referred to as a science of life, basically is an ancient system of medicine that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. I always repeat this line because there might be people who just visited my channel and just started this video. So I always like to introduce Ayurveda. I feel proud about being a part of this rich cultural and Vedic heritage. That's the reason I will keep repeating it as on the introduction. Um, so one of the fundamental principles of Ayurveda is a concept of Dincharya, which translates to daily routines. These daily routines are basically designed to promote optimal health, prevent diseases, and create a sense of balance and harmony in one's life. In this video today, we are going to explore the key elements of Ayurvedic Dincharya or regimens routines and its evidence-based benefits. So let's get started. Well, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it now so that you get notifications for such informative videos on yoga, Ayurveda, holistic health and healing in the days and weeks to come. Well, understanding Ayurvedic Dincharya. What is Ayurvedic Dincharya? Well, the Ayurvedic Dincharya is nothing but a set of daily practices that aligns with the body's natural rhythm and the cycles of the day. These routines are tailored to an individual's constitution or prakriti and can vary based on factors such as age, season, and geographical location. The primary goal of Dincharya is to maintain and restore balance among these three doshas, which are primarily Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, which are also the fundamental energy principles in Ayurveda. So we start with waking up early in the morning, which is also known as the Brahma Muhurat. Ayurveda recommends waking up during the Brahma Muhurat, which typically occurs about an hour and a half before sunrise. This early awakening aligns with the body's natural rhythms and promotes a sense of calm, serenity, and clarity. Scientifically, waking up early can regulate the circadian rhythm, leading to improved sleep quality, better mental focus, and enhanced productivity. Then next is the oral care or the Dant Dhawan. The practice of Dant Dhawan involves using natural toothpaste and the tongue scrapers made of materials like copper or stainless steel. Brushing and scraping the tongue that removes harmful bacteria and toxins that accumulate overnight is really helpful. This practice contributes to the overall oral hygiene. It removes the bacteria, it reduces the risk of cavities, gum diseases, and may even promote better breath. We'll discover the secrets of bright health with our Ayurveda diet and nutrition course. Help us bring Ayurveda to your family, to your kitchen, and to your life. Discover how to balance your doshas, improve digestion, and make healthy nutrition choices for life. Our experienced instructors and comprehensive curriculum will definitely help you change your life because you change your health, you improve your health essentially. Enroll now to feed your body, mind, and soul and begin a new wellness journey with us. You can use the code below in the description and text us on our WhatsApp number with the course name, and you will get additional discount when you compare it what we have on our website. Go ahead and join this course if you want to become a holistic health consultant or an Ayurvedic nutritionist. Well, next is oil pulling, which is Gandusha or the Kavala. Oil pulling is a process where you swish oil in your mouth for 10-15 minutes first thing in the morning as you get up. This action not only cleanses the mouth but is believed to draw the toxins out of your body. It has been associated with improved oral health, reduced bad breath, and potential benefits for gum health. Scientific studies have also shown that oil pulling may reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth. The next is nasal cleansing or Nasya. Nasya involves the application of herbal or the saline solution to the nasal passages. This practice can help clear the sinuses, relieve nasal congestion, post-nasal drip, and in conditions of sinusitis and polyp, and promote better respiratory health in general. Scientifically, nasal irrigation has been recommended as an complementary therapy for conditions like sinusitis and different allergies. Next regimen it falls in the sequence is hydration or the Ushapan. Starting the day with a glass of warm water can help kickstart your digestion and flush out toxins from the body. Adequate hydration supports various bodily functions, including digestion, absorption of nutrients, and elimination of the waste. It also helps maintain skin health and keeps the body's temperature in check. Then bowel movements, Vasti. Establishing a regular and healthy bowel routine is crucial for overall health and well-being. Ayurveda says that if your digestion is not good and if you're not able to eliminate the solid waste every day or twice a day, then probably you're heading towards bigger health issues in the future, because those waste toxins would be reabsorbed in the bloodstream if you do not eliminate it on regular basis, and that would actually vitiate your doshas and eventually your dhatus or tissues. Ayurveda suggests that incomplete elimination of waste can lead to the accumulation of toxins in the body, and basically consuming a fiber-rich diet, staying hydrated and adhering to a consistent schedule can prevent issues like constipation and promote a healthy gut. Next regimen which comes is exercise or the Vyayam. Vyayam encompasses physical activity tailored to an individual's constitution and needs. Regular exercise supports cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and joints, and aids in weight management. Additionally, it has well-documented benefits for mental health, including stress reduction, improved mood, and increased cognitive function. Next is dietary choices or the Ahar. Ayurvedic dietary principles stress the importance of consuming foods that align with one's dosha and constitution, also the season. Fresh, seasonal, and locally sourced foods are favored as compared to stale, imported, or artificial foods. A balanced diet supports digestion, provides essential nutrients, and maintains energy levels. For instance, cooling foods may be recommended for those with pitta constitution, while warming foods are suggested for Vata types. Meditation and mindfulness. Dhyan involves practices such as meditation and mindfulness, which promote mental clarity, emotional balance, and stress reduction. Scientific research has shown that regular meditation can reduce anxiety, panic attacks, enhance focus, and even positively influence brain structure and function. It provides a profound sense of well-being and can be tailored to an individual's preference. The next in the line is sleep or the Nidra. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and vitality. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a fixed and the calming bedtime routine can improve your sleep quality considerably. Duration is also important. Different people have different needs for rest and the sleep, so we cannot ascertain a one common duration like 7 or 8 hours, but ideally you should sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours, hitting the bed at the right time. Adequate sleep supports the healthy immune system, cognitive function, and emotional well-being. It allows the body to repair and regenerate, ensuring a refreshed start to the next day. So incorporating these practices into your daily routine, tailored to your own unique constitution, can tremendously help you to achieve a state of balance, harmony, and optimum health in accordance with the Ayurvedic principles. It's essential to seek guidance from an experienced Ayurveda practitioner, consultant, or doctor for customized recommendations and suggestions. So thanks a lot, viewers and friends, for being here till the end. I hope you like this video and the information being provided here. If you have liked this video indeed, then do not forget to subscribe the channel, like and share it to others who can be benefited as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself.